wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Adelia Nurfabriana.
And I am Olivia Dina Rahmayanti.
And I'm Viola Widya Rama Aprilia. We're gonna tell you how to make a Chocolatos latte. Here we go!
This Chocolatos latte is made of ingredients that are easy to find. Besides being a business idea, this drink can also suitable for enjoying each day. Pour 2 sachets Chocolatos drink into a bowl and then pour a hot water into a bowl. Mix well. Put some ice cubes into a glass. Pour full cream milk into a glass. Save the top for topping. Add Chocolatos drink into a glass for topping. And Chocolatos latte ready to be served.